people don't understand what it actually takes to not just build a business, but to cross the kind of milestones that you've been able to cross, to go through the kind of challenges that you've been able to go through in a regulated sector, in a sector where you are not just dealing with the government, but you're dealing with the Reserve Bank of India. And anything that the regulator can do can in fact cause an existential issue. How has that been for the two of you to deal with?
It's been crazy. And the clear conclusion for a lot of people is maybe the regulators and the government don't want fintech.
Which they've clarified, to try and send out the message that no, that's not the case. That
but the actions that take place, actually point to the contrary. And then it's hard to justify that actions are against certain entities only, and it's not against a particular sector. Fintech as a sector, I still see as a sunrise sector, but with this kind of environment now, if you see who is investing in fintech, whether it is private companies, is not the preferred sector for investment. But India needs billions of dollars of investment in fintech to make the dream of truly inclusive finance happen in India. It's just we have not even scratched the surface.
So if you had to start today in this regulatory environment, would you have started a fintech company?
I would absolutely start.
So if the regulator is coming in to say that, look, we want to put the guardrails in place so that innovation doesn't run far ahead of regulation, you understand the regulator's predicament. But as an entrepreneur, how do you then go around navigating your business?
You built your business on a particular kind of arbitrage, let's say. You can build a business and make huge business very quickly. And then suddenly the regulator comes in saying that this is not what we meant, or this is not explicitly allowed. I think that becomes a challenge. Because, look, you've invested money, you've put investors' money, your own time and effort into building something. And suddenly one day you wake up and say this is not allowed. I think now it's happening, a much closer dialogue.
I think we met maybe 80-100 investors in our roadshow in October, November last year. Typically all these meetings are 1 to 1.5 hours. In most of these meetings, first we were defending
the sector,
Fintech India. Then we are defending, our segments of business within that, and then we are defending our own numbers and our competitive position. Maximum amount of time we had to first defend this aspect only, that fintech industry in India is only going to grow. Yes, it will be a regulated market, but innovation, regulation, and actually adaptability are the key to success here.